In this procedure, we will be adjusting the stops on a power gear above floor slide out. These are the tools required for this procedure. To adjust the outstop, we need to gain access to the stop block on the inside of the unit. For this installation, we remove the panel from the slide room. Locate the stop block and then loosen the set screw. Adjust the stop block to the desired location and tighten the set screw. To adjust the instop, we need to extend the slide out and locate the stop block from the outside. Loosen the set screw in the stop block, and then adjust the stop block to the desired location and tighten the set screw.